Todd Frazee, and this is just a quick tutorial on how to use the snipping tool in Windows. There are different ways to do screen captures, but this one should be installed on all our systems. What you can do is you go to the Windows command prompt. If it doesn't show up here under the pinned applications like mine does, you just start searching for it, type the first few letters, and it should come up. This window will appear, and to do a new capture, at the default settings, you would hit new. And the screen's going to turn kind of gray, and you can draw a what's called a marquee box by clicking and dragging around the item you want to snip. It will appear in the snipping tool box when it's done, and you can save by hitting the save button either in JPEG or PNG format. Okay, and then when you go into Canvas, you just look for that file and upload it. That's it. Catch you on the next one.